NASA officials have revealed something that stunned even their own ranks. After months of analysis, they claim to have decoded transmissions linked to 3I, Atlas, an interstellar object unlike anything we've ever encountered. And what those signals contain could change everything we know about the cosmos. The revelation arrived unexpectedly. In the same week, telescopes began detecting a sudden outburst in brightness from deep space, a blinding surge that illuminated the dark like a flare against eternity. At first, scientists thought it was a simple cometary flare-up. But then the data poured in. This object wasn't ordinary. It was 16,000 times brighter than the faintest interstellar dust glow and over 200 times larger than any known comet ever tracked. A cosmic giant, moving with purpose. Speeding inexorably toward the enigmatic traveler known as 3I, Atlas. The skies themselves seemed to whisper of something extraordinary. A convergence so rare that even the laws of chance felt inadequate to explain it. The appearance of such a colossal comet racing toward another interstellar body suggested something far greater, perhaps a cataclysmic origin, or the echo of a collision between worlds light years away. It must have been born in violence. Flung from a distant star system by gravitational chaos or a planetary upheaval. Now, after millennia adrift through the cold void, it is here, a blazing herald streaking across our solar boundary, its arrival demanding our gaze. As it nears the sun, it begins to awaken. Hidden ices buried for eons ignite in sunlight, erupting in fountains of gas and dust. A brilliant coma blossoms around its nucleus, blown like a ghostly sphere, while a vast tail unfurls behind, millions of kilometers long, painting the night with dust and ionized vapor. Its glow is so intense that, for the first time, we might see not a point of light, but a massive, moving cloud. A living storm drifting across the stars. But this is no aimless traveler. Its trajectory is locked on a direct path toward 3I, Atlas. Two interstellar wanderers, not from our solar family, now converging in a gravitational ballet so improbable that scientists question whether it could even be coincidence. Perhaps the two share a common origin, relics from the same shattered system. Or maybe their paths are drawn together by some hidden force still unknown to physics. As the distance shrinks, their interaction becomes a symphony of cosmic forces. Gravitational tides may twist their comas, pulling jets of gas into arcing bridges of dust. For a brief moment, space itself may flicker with electric currents as plasma fields intertwine, forming faint, luminous threads between the two bodies. From Earth, telescopes across every wavelength, optical, radio, infrared, ultraviolet, will turn toward the encounter zone, each hoping to glimpse the secrets it holds. Spectrographs will dissect the light, revealing chemical fingerprints, the ices, dust, and organics that define their alien birthplaces. In those spectra, we may find compounds never seen before, molecules that predate our own solar system. Water, methane, hydrogen, noble gases, each carrying isotopic clues of stellar origins beyond our Sun. Every spectral line a message from another world. What makes this moment historic is not just its spectacle, but its science. The comet's brilliance gives researchers a rare window into its interior chemistry and structure, layers preserved since before the dawn of our own planets. Its gradual sublimation acts like a time machine, peeling back layers of frozen history, molecule by molecule. If these two bodies truly interact, it could reveal something profound. Tiny fragments may be exchanged. Dust from one may coat the other. Their comas may merge in a brief dance of matter, creating trails that drift for centuries, silent witnesses to their encounter. For astronomers, this is a living laboratory, a front-row seat to the physics of interstellar collisions. But deeper questions stir. What if the interaction between them triggers more than just light? Could latent energy within 3I, Atlas react to the approaching mass, awakening unknown processes or releasing further emissions? Could fragments from this colossal comet seed changes on Atlas's surface, or even alter its trajectory? And most mysteriously, if transmissions were truly received, as NASA suggests, could this approach be more than coincidence? As the two objects near alignment, the sun's light will refract through the comet's expanding halo, producing spectacular arcs and shadows visible across vast distances. Observers may witness glowing tendrils, swirling knots, and ghostly beams, subtle fingerprints of motion and matter, whispering of the forces at play. For a few fleeting nights, the event may even be visible to the naked eye, a faint, shifting glow marking the most extraordinary meeting in interstellar history. During this convergence, instruments will record every heartbeat of the event. Tiny changes in brightness may betray fractures within the comet's nucleus, eruptions of gas and dust jets, or the birth of new fragments. Each deviation in path will reveal how gravity, sunlight, and outgassing shape its motion, offering data that could refine our understanding of celestial mechanics itself. Even amateur astronomers will play a role. Telescopes worldwide will synchronize to track every flicker and flash, building a mosaic of the encounter from every corner of the globe. Each observation adding a piece to a puzzle that could redefine how we understand the interstellar traffic of the galaxy. Because if comets like this exist, massive, bright, resilient, then interstellar space may be far more crowded than we ever imagined. These could be the true couriers of the galaxy, messengers carrying organic material between star systems, spreading the seeds of chemistry, perhaps even life. What if these wanderers are the mechanisms through which planets share their essence, creating a slow, cosmic network of connection? And then there's the mystery of the signal itself. What did 3I, Atlas transmit, and why did NASA say it was decoded? Could these data pulses be the product of natural radio emissions? Or something constructed? For now, they remain classified, with only hints from analysts describing structured sequences, unlike background noise. As days pass, anticipation surges. Each new image reveals deeper complexity, new jets, arcs, and filaments emerging from the glowing head. The brightness continues to grow. The comet's surface fractures. And somewhere, far beyond the hum of our planet, two travelers from different stars draw closer still. In this fleeting cosmic instant, the universe leans in. We stand on the edge of witnessing a dialogue between worlds, a conversation written not in words, but in light, dust, and motion. So when you look up at the night sky in the coming weeks, remember, what you see may not just be a comet. It may be a message from beyond, carried by a visitor that waited millions of years to reach us. If you enjoyed this video, smash the like button, subscribe for more space mysteries, and share your thoughts below. Do you think this encounter is purely natural, or is something else guiding it? Either way, one thing is certain, the cosmos just spoke, and humanity is finally beginning to listen. Subscribe to our channel and thanks for watching.